am shiny, oh, shiny and shiny and shine, and I'm pretty.
Hello, hello.
Hello,
Hello, hello. Hi guys, Eliya here and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to transform my friend. Her name is Eliya. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi guys. So today I'm going to do like glam transformation for her, but something natural, not too much glam, not too much enormous. And I'm going to do for her some contouring and some highlight and some things, and you're gonna see that. So guys, if you want to see the rest of the video, just to see how it's gonna, just keep watching my video. So I'm gonna use in this Bobbi Brown foundation stick. The name is called Element. Before we starting to do the foundation stick, we actually need to notice what we want to change in our face. For example, we have the jawline, we have the forehead, the nose and the lips and the cheeks. So we need to notice what we want to change more, and then we can start. For example, with Eliya, I'm gonna do a little bit to make the lips bigger than what they are, and just a little bit in the jawline over here. So that's the way that I did a contour. Like you can see over here, I just did it in this shape. I just decided to do for over here, and I did a little bit contour to the jawline, to the chin, over here to the lips, and just wanting to make it a little bit look bigger than what they are, and for the nose. Now I'm gonna use in this instant full coverage concealer of Bobbi Brown. The name is Cool Sand. So that's the way that is supposed to look before we apply the foundation on. You can see when I put the concealer, I just did over here, like kind of, it's not something that you're supposed to do it like in every day, but when you want to do like glam transformation. So this one, it's really important if you want to reduce all the dark circles under the eyes, and especially over here. When I want to go to the forehead, I like it when it's look more highlight in the forehead, and here it's more tan. So right now we're going to blend it out with the foundation. I'm not going to put foundation all over the face, just I'm going to tap in a little bit and blend it out. I'm going to use in two kinds of foundation. The first one is Estee Lauder Double Wide. The number is 3 and 1 Ivory Beige. Now Estee Lauder is sometimes pretend to be too much heavy on your face, and sometimes it could be too much white. So I'd like to mix with this one. This one is the foundation. This one is NARS, is M5 Valencia, and I'm just gonna mix those together, and I'm just gonna blend out everything on the face. done with all this contour, right now we're gonna put some baking powder. It's not something like a baking powder, it's more like highlight powder. I'm gonna use in this one from Smashbox palette. It's actually, the name is highlight, and I'm just gonna put it under the eyes and on the chin and probably where I just put the concealer, so I'm just gonna go over it with the powder. So we're gonna leave for a second the face, and we're gonna start right now with the eyes. Now because she has a really light color in the eyes, I'm gonna use in light colors too, but I'm gonna choose some smoky pink brown smoky eye kind of, and I'm gonna use in this Bobbi Brown eyeshadow palette. The name is Ice Custard. It's actually just a nude pink, and I'm gonna use in this fluffy brush because at first we're gonna make an illusion that the eyes look more wider, so I need to use in this fluffy brush of Moda. So the next color I'm gonna use in this chocolate color. This one it's more like a deep brown, but I'm just gonna do it here in the crease a little bit over here just to make it an illusion that is smoky eye look. And the next color I'm gonna use in this color. This one is Silent Night of Bobbi Brown, and it's more like kind of rose gold, really shiny rose gold, and I'm gonna do it over here in the eyelid. So right now I'm gonna use in this beautiful gold eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use in over here in the eyelid to make it look shiny and a little bit the underline eyebrows. So this one is the name, it's Gold Mine. Okay guys, right now it's the time to put the contour and the bronzer on. I'm gonna put the contour powder, and then I'm gonna mix up the bronzer, and I'm gonna put it over here in the cheeks and the forehead and the jawline. Right now I'm gonna use right now I'm gonna use in this beautiful brush. It's pretending to be too much pink, but I'm gonna mix this with a little bit shiny pink blush, so it's gonna be alright. This one is actually Smoke and Mirrors blush, and it's actually Desire. So the next step I'm gonna use in this Bobbi Brown shimmer. This one is Afternoon Glow of Bobbi Brown, and It's actually so good. It's just giving me this natural glow. It's look gold, but it's not look too much shiny. So guys, so far we're good. Right now we're gonna do the last step, and it's for the lips. I'm gonna use in this lip pencil of MAC. The name is So I'm gonna use right now in Huda Beauty, and the name is Smuggle. So right now I'm gonna use on top in this Tom Ford. This one is Guilty Pleasure, and the number is 36. I'm just gonna use a little bit on top because it's really shimmer color, like you can notice, but it's so beautiful. So guys, this is the final look. We did actually some kind of rose gold pink makeup, which I really like. And I actually so happy that Eliya was here with me, that I had opportunities to do with her, because actually she's my friend. She's been here in America, in Las Vegas, for a month, and today she's coming back to Israel, our back home. So she's happy about that. I'm not. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and just let me know what you think about this video. See you next soon.